Welcome back, everyone. Like everything else, the pandemic has taken a toll on our animal population. Tonight, Fox 14's Judd Baker shows us the impact it's had on Amarillo animal management and welfare and how they're working harder than ever to help pets in the city.
It's been an unusual 2 years for animal management.
That's how Amarillo Animal Management and Welfare Director Victoria Medley describes the situation of Amarillo animals during the onset of the pandemic.
You have to remember, for the biggest part of that year, the shelter was closed. They were not picking up stray animals. People were not able to surrender. The shelter wasn't able to adopt out. Rescues stopped moving. So really, it was kind of stuck in time. Like, animals weren't historically being moved.
Medley says this accounted for a lower intake, adoption and rescues, and even affecting pet vaccinations.
This next year, we saw kind of some of the fallout of that,
leading to another challenge that had to be faced.
We saw a huge outbreak of parvo and distemper that really affected our whole community. The distemper was a statewide issue, but it hit Amarillo really hard in the end of July.
Putting a pause on normal operations at animal management.
A lot of people didn't understand why we were closed down, but we had to put in some very strict medical protocols. It was really hard on our staff because you have to clean extra, you've got to wear booties, every time you move an animal, there was so much cleaning involved because it was so easily contagious. So it was really, really tough on the staff.
2020's low numbers make 2021's count look like a large jump, even when compared to 2019. But Medley says even without the pandemic, numbers, good and bad, would have gone up for another reason.
2021 is going to look higher as far as bringing in animals than 2019, for the most part because the services were different. Us, because of the new setup here and our availability of this Proposition 2 money in this building, we're going to see that we took in more strays than we did in 2019. And it is truly because we've got a little bit more kennels, so we can bring in more, and that we have more field services.
Medley says those proposition funds have been a great first step in becoming better in the community with animals. Another step, educating the community.
We want the community to understand that, like, we're here not only for, the safety of the community and the health of the community, but it's the health of our animals. And there's always those kinds of conversations about it's the pound or it's a scary place. The staff here is amazing. They are truly public servants. What I think our message is to get more in a partnership with our community and understand that the more we can help them and the more they can help us, the better our animals are going to be and the better our owners are going to be of those animals.
In Amarillo, Judd Baker, Fox 14 News.
Medley says they want to be transparent about their operations. She says if someone has a question, they encourage you to email them and not listen to rumors. We have their email listed on our myhighplains.com. There you can also find links to annual stats and an animal search tool to help you find your next adopted pet.